At Charter Medical, we are singularly focused on moving healthcare innovation forward. We design, develop, and manufacture single-use solutions to enhance fluid handling, cell growth, and frozen storage, all to help you make the impossible possible. With the rapid adoption of single-use solutions for cell and gene therapies, bioprocessing, and blood management, Charter rises to meet industry demands for scalable solutions. Our products improve operational efficiency, lower process costs, and reduce risks. Ultimately, this makes the therapies our customers develop more accessible to patients. Charter Medical is an FDA-registered facility located in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Our quality management system is certified to ISO 13485 and currently houses over 16,000 square feet of ISO 7 and 8 certified clean rooms. Our facility is solely dedicated to developing and manufacturing standard and custom single-use products. From simple to complex, our single-use customization experts can design optimal solutions to streamline process functionality for any application. At Charter, we focus on building strong partnerships, providing valuable services, and producing quality products for our customers. For decades, we've worked alongside therapeutic innovators to help solve their fluid processing challenges as they've progressed from benchtop to commercial scale. We are proud to support the production of revolutionary therapies to ensure patients have access to the life-saving treatments they need when they need them.